Welcome to Crazy Fluid Art. I have an amazing set of coasters for you all today, but before I get started, I'd like to start by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land that I create on, the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation, and I pay my respect to their elders past, present, and any of those that are emerging. It is always my absolute pleasure to be able to create on the land that they once lived on. So today's creation is this beautiful set of coasters using one of the new This Little Pigments Burnt Sierra, and just a bunch of other beautiful golden pigments. It's all about the pigments today. I did create these on a white background and thought that it would actually make them pop going on a really nice dark black background. So this is where we're at today, and this is what we're going to work on today. So I really hope you get inspired. The colors are all listed in my description of the video, so please feel free to use them. Go create your own. Share with me what you've created. Show me what you've done, because I'd really like to see what everyone can come up with these, whether it's a swipe or a bloom or a Dutch. They're just stunning colors together and they just look amazing. So we'll start off with my video. As I always do, we'll go through the equipment. I have a very cheap $10 spinner that I brought from my local convenience store. It's just perfect for creating coasters. It's got a little 1 centimeter rim which stops my paint flying off everywhere. I use my 100mm by 100mm white pressed gloss edge tiles. They're easy and perfect for coasters. And I secure these on with a non-slip mat so that my tile doesn't go flying off into the ether when I do my spin. So for this, I am using my house black paint. I'm very fortunate in Australia to be able to purchase this black tinted paint already from my local hardware store. It's a British paints, and it's perfect for swiping and for blooms. Occasionally I might have to thicken it up, but that's very rare. So now I'm going to start off with the Burnt Sierra. She's just this gorgeous light shimmery brown. You can't see the shimmer at the moment, but she just sparkles. So I'm really excited to be using this little pigment. Then I'm following up with Harvest Gold, so another gorgeous gold pigment from TLP. Then we're going to layer on, what did I use next? Oh, Zeus. So this little piggy Zeus is next, is what I've layered down. And then I'm finishing it up with this little piggy Ore. And this is a really gorgeous light yellowy gold. And these 4 pigments together all shimmer on their own, but used in a coaster on its own, the coaster just sparkles. So I'm using 2 cell activators today. One is black, and then I'm going to throw in a bit of gold cell activator. By doing that, you get these gorgeous gold veins through your cells. It just makes them pop just that little bit more. I'm going to be using my flat-faced hairdryer instead of blowing today. Instead of blowing with my mouth, I'm using the hairdryer just because I really like using that forceful blow to really make those cells pop and move around the tile. I've ended up with a little bit of gold and a little bit of black, half and half. So I'm just going to blow those out a little bit just to separate them a bit and make them dissipate into the coaster. And then we'll give it a couple of spins and we'll see how she shines up. But you'll see that creating these coasters with these 4 simple gold pigments, they just look beautiful together on this beautiful black background. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and get inspired, hopefully. I will chat to you in a few minutes after you've watched a couple of coasters get made. So here we are with our final spinning on our final coaster. I just need to give it a couple of more blows, but I really hope you've enjoyed watching these get made. I've kept it nice and simple by layering them all the same way, using the black and the gold cell activator. I can't encourage you enough to try using a double cell activator. It just makes your cells pop. As per normal, if you have enjoyed this video, please add any comments. I will reply and answer any questions that anybody asks. And if you really want to, follow all my videos that I post, please subscribe, because then you'll get notifications of whenever a new video comes up from me. Otherwise, happy creating. I hope you've enjoyed it. Use the colors, go and get yourself inspired, and have the most amazing day creating. Until next time, stay happy.